Hello 11th class, this is your eco class and today we are here for chapter number 2, central problems of an economy. As in the previous videos also, in the previous chapter also we discussed that what is the central problem of an economy. And we discussed that the resources with us are limited and our demands are unlimited, one thing. Secondly, the resources have alternative uses. Now, in this chapter, we shall be dealing with the central problem of an economy, and it is a problem of any kind of economy, whether that is a rich or poor country, whether that is a developed or undeveloped economy. Okay, so almost everyone face three major problems, central problems. What are these? What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. ठीक है. Now let us discuss all these three different problems, different central problem के जो तीन parameters हैं. Let us discuss all these individually. First is what to produce. If we talk about this particular question, what to produce, this problem has two dimensions. That means we think on two different lines. One is what goods are to be produced. What means कौन सी goods का production किया जाना चाहिए इस particular economy में. And in what quantity. This also we need to get the answer. What goods are to be produced and in what quantity. Well, if we talk about what goods are to be produced, see, as all of you know that we have two types of goods. One is capital goods, the other one is consumer goods. And in an economy, the production of both these goods are essential. Okay, capital goods किसको कहते हैं? Like plant, कोई machinery. These goods, capital goods, are those goods which are needed for the further production, for the future growth. Whereas consumer goods are needed for the present consumption. They are required to be produced and consumed right now in the present situation. Now the question is that if our resources are limited, so what should we do? In that economy, the consumer goods must be produced or the capital goods. That means for future growth that economy must think, or for the present consumption that economy must think. So we have to make choice between consumer goods and capital goods. Now if we talk about the second dimension, that is in what quantity are to be produced. That means we need to understand the production of consumer goods and capital goods both are essential. But how much of the consumer goods and how much of the capital goods? This is the question. And why this question arises? Because more the consumer good means less the capital goods. And more the capital goods, vice versa है ना. Capital goods ज़्यादा produce हो रही हैं तो मतलब consumer goods कम हो रही हैं. So we need to understand कि the loss of the quantity of consumer good is the cost of producing more of the capital goods. And likewise दूसरी तरह भी सोच सकते हो आप. ठीक है. This opportunity cost क्या होता है? This we shall be dealing in detail in the forthcoming chapters. Then the second question is how to produce. Now to produce we have two techniques. One is capital intensive, the other is labor intensive. That means if we will go for capital intensive techniques, there will be unemployment. Machines का या जो उसका कैपिटल गुड्स को ज़्यादा अगर हम यूज़ करेंगे, मशीन्स को ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे तो लेबर फ्री रहेगी, आपकी लेबर अनएम्प्लॉयड रहेगी. और अगर लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक्स यूज़ करोगे तो उसके अपने इम्पैक्ट रहते हैं. आपकी ग्रोथ का पेस धीरे हो जाएगा. मशीन से काम करोगे तो ग्रोथ का पेस बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि लेबर इंटेंसिव जो है वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट को प्रमोट करती है और कैपिटल इंटेंसिव जो टेक्निक है वो आपकी स्पीड को, पेस को, उसको स्पीड देती है, एक्सेलरेट करती है. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज फॉर whom टू प्रोड्यूस. No, all of you know that resources are limited, or an economy cannot produce for all the sections of the society. सबकी अपनी अपनी डिज़ायर्स हैं और उसके हिसाब से द इकोनॉमी कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस. सो जनरली इन वन इकोनॉमी देर आर टू सेगमेंट्स, टू सेक्शंस, rich and the poor. So the economy has to think whether social justice is to be promoted or profit maximization should be the target. So for whom to produce, matlab for the rich people for getting maximum profit, or for the poor people to provide maximum social justice. So these are the three major dimensions of the central problem of the economy. For the solutions, wait for the next video. We will discuss that how these three issues we can solve, and for that you need to remind the previous chapter all the three types of economies also: free economy, controlled economy, and then mixed economy. Okay, thank you.